At Klean Leaf, we are the best in laundry detergent sheet manufacturing. With over 14 years of industry experience, we have helped many leading brands create and launch their own detergent sheet products, making laundry simpler, cleaner, and more sustainable. Our Columbus office and dedicated team ensure that we can assist you instantly, offering unmatched customer service and support whenever you need it. We guarantee top-tier product quality and the best service in the industry. We provide a one-stop solution for your business needs, from product development, quality control, and customized packaging to shipping and direct delivery to your warehouse. Our expertise allows brands to scale effortlessly while ensuring their products meet the highest standards. At Klean Leaf, we don't just manufacture detergent sheets. We are on a mission to reduce plastic waste and protect our oceans. Traditional liquid detergent comes in plastic jugs that end up polluting our environment. But with our detergent sheets, we help cut down on single-use plastics, lower carbon emissions in shipping, and promote eco-friendly laundry solutions worldwide. We take pride in supporting global clients from all over the world, including Korea, Japan, Singapore, Australia, England, the Netherlands, Canada, and the USA. Our experience in working with international brands means we understand diverse market needs and tailor our solutions to help businesses succeed in the growing sustainable laundry industry. Partner with Klean Leaf, where innovation meets sustainability and where your success is our priority.